kids!
Today we are making a strawberry smoothie!
Yay!
Kidzdom!
There's a smoothie! Let's make the smoothie!
You have to wash the strawberries first. Make sure they are very clean. Don't forget to wash your hands before preparing.
These are our ingredients.
Milk, a Greek yogurt, strawberries, and 2 bananas. We prefer the Greek yogurt because it's healthier.
Yeah, we need it to be healthy.
Pour a little bit of milk. Has to be a little bit. I'm gonna pour a little bit. We are there.
There we
Next, we're gonna put yogurt.
Yeah!
1, 2,
2,
3. Whoa!
I want to taste it.
Now it's time to put strawberries. Reminder, remember to remove the leaves.
1,
2,
2,
3.
There's 4. There's 4. There's 4. You get 4.
The last one is banana.
Yeah!
Banana unana. Banana in Havana. Havana unana. Banana unana. Banana. First, peel the banana off.
Okay. Then it's my turn.
Put it there.
Then cut it.
Nanny.
Daddy do nana.
Put it into half.
Ah!
You need the help of a grown-up to put this into there.
Yeah, because it's important.
There's blades and you don't want it to get cut. The blades are sharp. Oh, it's not yet on. Can I push it?
Easy peasy, isn't it? Easy peasy, isn't it?
I'm doing lip sync.
Easy peasy, isn't it?
I want to get fancy.
Yeah, me too. I like to fancy.
I will do it for you.
Okay.
No, that's not your cup.
Oh,
Oh yeah, that is.
this is right. Ooh, let's see. Come here to me, guys. Taste it. I want to taste it. It makes me want to taste it. What is that thing?
Who wants to put your hand up if you want to be fancy? No thanks. Only David and me.
Who's husband? Oh, so good.
That doesn't matter. Just leave it there. No.
It's super wiggly because of the yogurt.
Little of strawberry there.
Here.
I remember the taste. Hello.
Hello.
Yummy.
Yummy.
It's so yummy. It's good for your tummy. Like it?
Yeah. My hands are already dirty.
I'm gonna make this every day. Oh, Damon, let's have a race.
No, don't have a waist. Because it's fancy. I got.
Oh no, don't drink mine. You have cold. And this will be good to cure your cold. Keep on drinking it. Me too, I have a bit of cold, right? Both of us have the same colds, right? Banana, strawberry, and yogurt are good for your health.
That's right.
Hello
guys.
kids! But the blender has to be for grown-ups, okay?
The blender
There is sharp blades in there.
I'm gonna say it. These are the ingredients. If 3 pieces are 4 pieces. Whatever you want for a drink, you taste it. Okay?
What did you say? Say that.
What ingredient drink do you want? If you like the comments below, make sure that you click the bell button and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for washing the dishes, Daddy. Thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching for
What?
please subscribe.
Thank you for watching our video.
Please subscribe for Kidzdom channel. Yay! Please subscribe to Kidzdom. Please subscribe to Kidzdom channel. Click the bell and comment down below. Like and share our video. Please, please. We love you all. Yeah! We love you.
We love you all.
We love you all.
Look inside my cup. Just look. Love, happy face, and you know whatever that is. Using Greek yogurt. Why Greek yogurt? Ah!